Hey again, this is Sam from the Frugal Hugel Gardener, and I'm over here at the Reid farm in DeLand, Florida, and he's planting a U-pick field, which is...
Well, we do really well with greens here, cruciferous greens like we were talking earlier in the nursery. They're extremely healthy and nutritious and really good antioxidants. We do really well with them, and I love my winter salads. We make a lot of soups in the wintertime too, so greens are just pretty crucial to our survival and our rabbits and all that. So what I did here is I thought people would probably want some fresh greens all winter, and we just grow so much of it, and I've had so much traffic in the nursery, figured we'd offer a U-pick, your own fresh greens. So we're going to do like a whole bunch of bok choy, kale, collards, bunch of different kinds of kale. There's lots of different kales I like to grow. Tatsoi, red mustard, green mustard, the Florida giant. Yeah, we had mustard leaves last year that were this big and just monsters. So this will, we'll do a bunch of lettuces. It's going to be all really fresh, young. I'll clip them when they're young, only about that tall. It's the most tender stuff you'll ever have. So, this is the beginning of it. Just started, put a really big, heavy bed of mulch. Organic soil, it's just topsoil and composted manure. And I'm going to add probably a bunch of rabbit manure, and we're going to turn it all in, get them ready, and I'll be planting probably late next month.
And how long before there should be some crop?
I would think probably end of September. Sometime in September we should have some good crop.
So there you go. If you like to pick your own, or always wanted to pick your own, go ahead and give Lonnie a call. Just look at the number and the address below. He'll go ahead and tell you when they're available, and bring your family out and have some fun.
That's right. Get some nutritious greens.